right, guys, we got a 2023 Colorado 4-cylinder turbo. This is what it sounds like before, guys, okay? So 2023 Colorado by Chevy 4-cylinder turbo. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. Again, sound decibels about 84. Stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it after we do it. We're gonna put a Black Widow muffler on it. We're gonna do a muffler swap. Stay tuned. Look at this beefy 2023 Trail Boss Colorado by Chevy. Really nice. Got a nice lift kit on it. I love how they made it more beefy, bigger than the old ones. Just makes such a huge difference in look. And they are a lot more roomy inside too. So if you guys like a mid-sized truck, I think it looks better even than the Toyota Tacomas. I kind of like it. It's a 4-cylinder turbo, by the way, guys. So what we got done on it is got factory converter all the way up there at the manifold. Then 3-inch pipe comes down, goes over. Then we put a Black Widow race Venom, 2.5-inch in, 2.5-inch out, as you guys can see there. Then ran a 2.5-inch pipe into his tailpipe, which is 2.5. And then we kept the resonator on it. He didn't want it too loud. And it comes with a black tip already. So it's a nice clean black tip right there to accent the wheels and stuff. So it came out really nice, really clean, as you guys can see there. Really nice truck. There it is in the back. Very nice truck. Very good looking. There's the stock muffler on it right there that we cut off. Still shiny and new. How many miles are on this truck? 3,000 miles. That's it. There's the race Venom. Here it is. BWAHW25-P. There'll be a link in the description for the race Venom. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You can hear the whistle more now. Upgraded the blow-up valve on it. Yeah, that sounds good. Like I was telling them, if you want it louder, we can take that resonator off next. There's a resonator on the back of the tailpipe. But this is a nice deep tone. Here's sound decibels. Right at 86. It's not crazy loud. Clean. I'm so glad they made them more beefy, man. Like bigger trucks, you know?
Yeah, they look totally different.
Yeah. The older ones were tiny. It actually looks like a mid-sized truck, you know? Such a nice, clean, deep tone. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Colorado Trail Boss 4-cylinder turbo Black Widow. Nice. It's perfect, clean sound. If it was mine, I'd probably get rid of the resonator though.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. So Colorado came back round 2. It was too quiet. He calls, he's like, I can barely hear it. I said, bring it back. We'll make it louder. So we did. Anyways, still everything the same up here. Factory converter, factory flex. Left the Black Widow on it. But what we did different is we took the resonator out, the secondary resonator, because it's huge. So I had a feeling he was going to come back for that. There it is. It's gone. So stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys hear it without a resonator. So now you can actually really hear the Black Widow sound out of this. And there'll be a link in the description for the Black Widow, guys. Here it is. Chevy Colorado. And there's the resonator that was on it that we cut off. That sucker's huge. I'm glad we took it off. Stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. Round 2. Much better. Yeah, that's better. Way better. Yeah, you can actually hear it now. It's at 95. Here's sound decibels. 96.2 sitting still. So it's probably right at 100 then. Oh, it's so much deeper. It's perfect. Outlaw. Got a nice whistle to it too. Yeah, you can hear it. You can hear the whistle now. Yeah, so much better. Yeah, there it is. It's whistling to me. Let you guys hear it on the inside. So much better. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.